You are welcome to Nature Nurture Hub, where your love for plants grows into a thriving garden of knowledge and beauty. Imagine never having to buy green onions again. Picture walking into your kitchen, snipping a handful of fresh, crisp green onions, and adding that burst of flavor to your meals grown by you right at home. It sounds simple, almost too easy, and that's because it is. Green onions are one of the most beginner-friendly plants you can grow. Yet most people don't realize just how powerful and productive they can be. Whether you live in a small apartment in New York or have a backyard in Texas, growing green onions can transform your everyday cooking and your confidence as a gardener. Green onions, also known as scallions, are fast-growing, low-maintenance, and incredibly forgiving. They don't demand perfect conditions, and even if you make small mistakes, they bounce back quickly. That's why they're the perfect starting point for beginner growers across the United States. The beauty of green onions lies in their simplicity. You can grow them in soil, in water, indoors, or outdoors, and they will still thrive. Let's start with the foundation of success, understanding how green onions grow. These plants develop from small white bulbs with green shoots rising above the surface. What makes them unique is their ability to regrow after harvesting. If you leave the roots intact, they continue producing new shoots again and again. This means one planting can give you multiple harvests, making it one of the most rewarding plants you can grow. When it comes to light, green onions love brightness. They perform best in full sun, which means around 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. If you're growing them outdoors, choose a sunny spot in your garden or balcony. For indoor growers, place them near a south-facing window where they can soak in as much natural light as possible. If sunlight is limited, a simple grow light can keep them healthy and growing strong. Without enough light, green onions may become thin, weak, and pale, so consistent brightness is key. Temperature plays an equally important role. Green onions prefer mild to cool temperatures, typically between 55 degrees F and 75 degrees F. This makes them ideal for spring and fall growing in most parts of the USA. However, they can also tolerate slightly warmer conditions as long as they receive enough water. In extremely hot climates, providing partial shade during the hottest part of the day can prevent stress and keep the flavor mild and fresh. Now let's talk about watering, the secret to healthy roots and vibrant growth. Green onions need consistent moisture, but they don't like sitting in soggy soil. The goal is to keep the soil evenly moist, not dry and not waterlogged. Water them when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. If you're growing them in containers, ensure there are drainage holes to prevent excess water from accumulating. For those growing green onions in water, simply place the root ends in a glass with enough water to cover the roots, and change the water every few days to keep it fresh and clean. Soil quality can make a noticeable difference in how your green onions grow. They prefer loose, well-draining soil rich in organic matter. A good potting mix combined with compost provides the perfect balance of nutrients and moisture retention. Healthy soil encourages strong root development, which leads to thicker, more flavorful green shoots. Feeding your green onions is simple and effective. Because they grow quickly, they benefit from regular nutrients. A balanced liquid fertilizer applied every 2 to 3 weeks can boost growth and improve leaf quality. Organic options like compost tea are excellent for beginners as they are gentle and easy to use. Avoid over-fertilizing, as too much can lead to excessive leaf growth with less flavor. Pruning and harvesting are where green onions truly shine. Unlike many plants, you don't have to wait long to enjoy the results. Once the green shoots reach about 6 to 8 inches tall, you can begin harvesting. Use scissors to cut the green tops, leaving about an inch above the base. This allows the plant to regrow quickly, giving you a continuous supply of fresh onions. Regular trimming also encourages thicker and healthier growth. One of the most exciting things about growing green onions is how easy it is to regrow them from kitchen scraps. Simply take the white root ends, place them in water, and watch them sprout new green shoots within days. This simple method is perfect for beginners who want instant results and a fun gardening experience. Even though green onions are low maintenance, a few common problems can arise. Yellowing leaves are often a sign of overwatering or poor drainage. Adjusting your watering routine usually solves this quickly. If the leaves appear thin and weak, it may indicate a lack of sunlight. Moving the plant to a brighter location can restore its strength. Occasionally, pests like aphids may appear, but a gentle rinse with water or a mild soap spray can keep them under control. Another issue some growers face is slow growth. This can be caused by nutrient deficiency or overcrowding. Providing proper spacing and occasional feeding can bring your plants back to life. Keeping the growing environment clean and well ventilated also helps prevent problems before they start. For those who want a continuous harvest, succession planting is a powerful technique. Plant new green onion seeds or bulbs every couple of weeks to ensure a steady supply. This method works especially well for home cooks who use green onions regularly in their meals. Growing green onions indoors during winter is also incredibly easy. A small container placed near a sunny window is all you need. With consistent watering and occasional feeding, you can enjoy fresh greens even in the coldest months. What makes green onions truly special is not just their ease of growth, but the confidence they build. Watching them regrow after each harvest creates a sense of accomplishment that motivates you to grow more plants. It's not just about gardening, it's about creating a sustainable, healthy lifestyle. As you continue your journey, you'll realize that green onions are more than just a kitchen ingredient. They are a symbol of how simple and rewarding growing your own food can be. With just a little care, they give back endlessly. So start today. Take a small step, plant your first green onions, and experience the joy of growing your own fresh food at home. Because once you begin, you'll never look at store-bought greens the same way again. If you love learning about seasonal flowering plants, gardening tips, and nature care, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Nature Nurture Hub, your home for year-round garden inspiration. Let's keep growing together.